China's rapidly advancing space program has been making headlines in recent years, with its ambitious lunar and interplanetary exploration missions capturing the world's attention. The country's latest endeavor, the Chang'e 6 mission, is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to China's grand plans for the exploration of the solar system. This mission, which aims to bring back lunar samples from the far side of the moon, is a significant step forward in China's quest to unlock the secrets of our nearest celestial neighbor and potentially surpass the achievements of the United States in the new space race. The Chang'e 6 mission is a remarkable feat of engineering and scientific exploration. By landing on the far side of the moon and collecting soil samples, China is poised to gain invaluable insights into the moon's origins and geological evolution, which could have far-reaching implications for our understanding of the early history of the solar system. The intricate rendezvous and docking maneuvers required to safely return the samples to Earth showcase China's growing capabilities in space technology and navigation. The samples collected by Chang'e 6 will be the first ever from the far side of the moon, a region that has remained largely unexplored due to the challenges posed by its lack of direct communication with Earth. These samples could help scientists unlock the reasons behind the stark geological differences between the near and far sides of the moon, shedding light on the processes that shaped the lunar surface over billions of years. The complex operations involved in the Chang'e 6 mission, such as the automated rendezvous and docking of the orbiter and ascender, are not only necessary for a successful lunar sample return, but also serve as important stepping stones towards China's goal of sending astronauts to the lunar surface. The country has already announced plans to launch its first crewed lunar mission before 2030, with the intention of establishing a permanent human presence on the moon. China's lunar base ambitions, challenging the US-led Artemis program. While the Chang'e 6 mission is primarily focused on scientific exploration, it is also part of a broader initiative by China to establish a permanent presence on the moon. The country, in partnership with Russia, is working towards the creation of an International Lunar Research Station (ELRS), a project that aims to attract international participation and challenge the dominance of the US-led Artemis program. The lunar South Pole has been identified as a strategic location for future human exploration and settlement. China plans to launch 2 separate missions to this region around 2026 and 2028, with the goal of testing the use of lunar soil for 3D printing and exploring the potential for in-situ resource utilization. These efforts are crucial for the development of a sustainable lunar base, which could provide a platform for further exploration and exploitation of the moon's resources. Expanding horizons, China's interplanetary exploration plans. While the moon remains the primary focus, China's space program is also setting its sights on the broader solar system. The country's Tianwen planetary program has ambitious plans to explore other celestial bodies, including near-Earth asteroids, comets, and the planets Mars and Jupiter. The Tianwen program encompasses a series of missions that aim to collect samples from a near-Earth asteroid, visit a comet, and send a probe to Mars and Jupiter. This comprehensive approach to planetary exploration showcases China's growing confidence and capabilities in the field of space science and technology. One particularly intriguing aspect of China's interplanetary ambitions is the possibility of a Mars sample return mission. While NASA and the European Space Agency ESA are also working on a similar project, the delays and challenges faced by their collaboration could open the door for China to become the first to successfully retrieve samples from the Red Planet. This would be a monumental achievement, potentially providing new insights into the origins of life and the habitability of Mars. Commercializing space, China's economic ambitions. China's space program is not solely focused on scientific exploration and geopolitical prestige. It also has significant economic implications. The country's Beidou satellite navigation system, which serves as an alternative to US-operated GPS, has already triggered economic growth and enabled the development of location-based services and applications. Beidou's ability to provide precise timing and positioning services has benefited a wide range of industries in China, from finance and agriculture to shipping and aviation. Additionally, the system grants the Chinese military with enhanced precision guidance capabilities for missiles and munitions, as well as improved coordination and projection of its forces globally. Looking ahead, China has expressed interest in creating an Earth-Moon economic zone, hinting at the potential commercialization of lunar resources. While the specifics of this plan remain unclear, it suggests that China is exploring ways to capitalize on the economic opportunities presented by space exploration, much like other major space powers. Geopolitical implications. The new space race between China and the U.S. The growing rivalry between China and the United States in the realm of space exploration is not merely a scientific pursuit, but also a demonstration of geopolitical prowess. Both countries are vying for technological superiority, economic advantages, and global influence, with their space programs serving as a proxy for their broader strategic competition. The parallel initiatives of the U.S.-led Artemis program and the China-Russia-backed International Lunar Research Station illustrate the geopolitical divide in the new space race. While these programs share the common goal of establishing a permanent human presence on the Moon, they represent competing visions and spheres of influence. China's space ambitions a force to be reckoned with. China's rapidly advancing space program, exemplified by the Chang'e 6 mission and its broader interplanetary exploration plans, is a clear indication of the country's ambitions to become a dominant force in the new space race. By leveraging its technological capabilities, economic resources, and strategic vision, China is poised to challenge the United States' long-standing leadership in space exploration and potentially surpass its achievements in the coming decades. As the world watches this unfolding competition, the implications of China's space program extend far beyond the realm of science and technology. The geopolitical and economic stakes involved in this new space race will shape the global landscape for years to come, and the outcome will have profound consequences for the balance of power and the future of human exploration and exploitation of the solar system.